Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the US dollar CAD did break out to the bottom this week. And for me, it's a little bit unfortunate because I was kind of hoping that it was going to go up and make a more proper ABC correction before it started this big move down. So I have been expecting this big move down for sure. I was just hoping for a better pullback so that way we could have potentially have gone short. I am very, very, very bearish on this. I think that US dollar CAD is going to go down to at least the 1.18 to 1.2 area. So very, very, very bearish. So we definitely want to be looking for shorts at shorter time frames. I mean, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now, but if it does, which I have no idea if it will, but if it does make a pullback, which it doesn't have to right now, it could continue to drift down very easily. But for me personally, I'm waiting for a pullback, and if it does make a pullback, I would be ready to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. If this is really the big turn that it definitely looks like it is on the higher time frames, then we definitely want to be looking for shorts every single chance we get. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.